of everything that has to do with a wedding. The one thing that I was sure of for the last like many years, ever since I first saw Pushpa Mehndi Hearts at my friend's wedding, was that I know who my Mehndi artist is going to be for my wedding. Before I know who my groom is going to be, before I know whether or not I'm getting married, I just knew that Pushpa Mehndi Arts is going to be doing my Mehndi. And I'm absolutely in love with the kind of work that y'all do. The mehendi itself is prepared. It's made by y'all. It's there's a special secret mix to it, and it comes out beautifully. The cones are prepared by them. The art itself is something else. I have not seen any other mehendi anywhere else that's this intricate and this beautiful. And in terms of professionalism, like this is one of the best. In terms of even if I just look at all the vendors that we're dealing with for the wedding and everything, I think they like y'all have really captured like every detail, right? Like y'all make it so easy to figure out what you want, and it's just so easy. Like the best thing is when you have a good a good artist, a good vendor with you, you can just like forget about everything else and completely relax. And that's something that I really love. And when you know for sure that everything's going to turn out perfectly, and I would recommend I would recommend cloning them. And because there's too many brides and just like one of y'all. But I know that y'all are also into training right now, so that's fantastic. And yeah, I would recommend y'all 100 times over to everybody. Actually, I already am, to all of my friends and family. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here and doing the amazing work that you all do. Yeah.